These are baby hiccups. See, it's like a little flick, flick, flick. Now he's moving around. Oh, there he goes. He's crazy. Oh my god. This is actually really nothing comparatively. He still has the hiccup, so you can see it. It's like a little flick. And he's annoyed. See? He's all over the place. He gets irritable when he gets the hiccups. He hates the hiccups. Well, who likes the hiccups? I mean, let's be real here. Oh. Calm down there, little guy. You're okay. Still got him. Boop. See those little flicks? Flick. Okay, I'm still annoyed. See, he's agitated, trying to move around. Oh my goodness. You okay? Huh? You okay, Si? Well, I guess he's done. Still got the hiccups, though. You see the little flicker? It's a really strange feeling, I gotta tell you.